I just found a new feature on LinkedIn this morning called Top Content. So I wanted to go and walk through it with you. I thought, well, let's learn about it together. So what topics do you want to explore? Let's go back to how I found this in the first place. So I was on LinkedIn and I was looking for information, and I came across this page, How to Share Knowledge for LinkedIn Algorithm Reach. Explore top LinkedIn content from expert professionals. So look, this is an AI feature. So the summary, it says summarized by AI based on LinkedIn member posts. Do you remember when we had the collaborative articles? I think this might be like a similar thing, except it looks different and it looks really interesting. So let's zoom out a little bit here. So top content marketing, LinkedIn content and ads. I don't even remember, guys, what I was looking for in the first place that I came across this. But how to share knowledge for LinkedIn algorithm reach means understanding. Oh, that's what it was. I was writing my article for today, which is my LinkedIn newsletter on long form content. And I was searching on Google and this came up in the search results. And I thought, I have not seen this before. This is so interesting. So knowing how to share. So it's basically pulling in a summary on LinkedIn member posts, but how do we know where it's coming from? Is it coming from these people down below? Let's look and see. Do we recognize these faces? Are those faces people in below? Let's have a look. I don't think they are. How are they pulling this information in? And we can't click on any of it. So it's literally pulling in summaries from LinkedIn posts. And here's the different categories. So let's play on this together, guys. Let's go in and say, okay, what do we do? Explore categories. So top content, productivity. But there's no summary on this one. But it is pulling in top content. What topics do you want to explore? Okay, what topics do I want to explore? Tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Let's click on that. Summary, it's pulling in a summary and then it's showing resources below. None of these people are in my network. I'd quite like to see one of my own posts in here, but I don't yet. Okay, right. Are they top voices? The first one's a top voice. There's a top voice. Okay. So tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile, career, resume tips, back to top content, editor's pick. So we've got these top ones here. So stressors, difficult conversations, emerging AI use cases, psychological safety. Now I know this is interesting because I got an email from LinkedIn news editors talking about psychological safety. So are they setting these topics at the top? How to find the right mentor for your career. Editor's picks, career advancement tips, team performance, mindset development, workday management, networking for professionals, top categories. Okay. Is there? So I talk about video and I talk about writing. So there's nothing in there about video. Let's see what there is about writing. If I click on this category writing, what happens? Nothing so far. Guys, we are just learning this stuff together. Okay, there we go. Explore top LinkedIn content from expert professionals on writing. That is not about writing. The case of death folder. That is also not about writing. Okay, where is Anne Handley showing up? Golden rules for user experience writing. Okay. Top voice people. Say no to boring emails. Okay. Reporting tips. Copywriting space. This person's got 447,000 followers. Oh, look, they're people with big, gigantic followers because this post, Amy Cuddy wrote this 2 years ago and has almost 1 million followers. 788,000 followers. The content is coming from people with gigantic followers. That does not mean that they are the best people to expert professionals because he's got 1.7 million followers. I've never heard of him. Okay, what else? How are we going to get focused on this? Or featured? Do we... 788,000 followers. So they're measuring top voices by the number of followers people have. 22,000 followers. Do you see that? 156,000 followers. So LinkedIn is putting people in top content based on the numbers of followers they have. Very, very interesting. Artificial intelligence. It's interesting the number of posts as well, isn't it? Workplace trends, customer experience, training and development. Do you fit into one of these buckets, guys? If you do, that'd be interesting. Event planning, 8,000. Well, I'm planning an event. Let's see. Top LinkedIn content from expert professionals on events. That's about Coldplay. Okay, off-sites, that's internal events. There's nothing here that is helping me about events. The event industry, okay, Julius Solaris, 91,000 followers 1 year ago, posted about events, and that's showing up in the top here. Okay, interesting. Live event streaming, look at these. Well, I help people with live event streaming, but I do not have 200,000 followers. Really interested to hear what you think about this, guys. Put your questions down below. Yes, there you are. A new AI. It's like they're collating information from people with the largest followings on LinkedIn and talking about topics that they have determined, the top content, the top content buckets, and the top content providers as they see based on the number of followers on LinkedIn. And I did not recognize one single name in all of those posters. All right, tell me your thoughts below. And have you seen this yet? Have you seen this space on LinkedIn?